Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing some white and pink French nails with glitter. So my friend here sent me a picture of nails by TammyTaylor, and it was basically a pointy full set with a glittery French tip, and then some of the nails were like full glitter, and I thought, yeah, let's do this. It is like really different from what I've been doing lately, which is like solid colors and like kind of just like the usual stuff that I always do, I feel like. And I was just really inspired by like all the flowers in the picture. There was some 3D nail art. I don't know if you guys follow Miss Susie or Susie Glam or something like that on Instagram. I'll have the picture, the inspo picture, and the lady I'm talking about, but there was like 3D flowers that she did on there, and I really loved it. So that's what we're doing, except we're doing it coffin shape, and we're doing it real long. So I already have her tips applied. As you can see, her natural nails are quite short, so I probably would have preferred to do forms on her, but I ran out of my good forms. So we're just putting these tips on. I already got them shaped up. I prepped her natural nails and I put down a thin layer of clear acrylic, and I'm using the number 12 oval alpha brush today. And my brush is just a little bit jacked up in this video, so I was like kind of struggling with this brush towards the end, but we got it. I figured it out, you know, things happen. If there's any style of nail that's like my biggest challenge, I would say it's doing French. And I think getting the nail bed like perfect and matching on all of the nails is what's hard for me, I think. But I actually really like how I did the nail bed on this set. If I would have changed anything about it, I think I would have added more acrylic to my glitter mix, because my glitter mix was a little bit chunky, but it still came out pretty okay. I'm still practicing and getting used to doing French tips, sculpted French tips, or whatever it's called. And that's the best that you can do when you're struggling with a design, is just practice. Try to do it more often and you'll eventually get better at it. I don't really do French that much and I need to start doing it more, so I'll probably do some French on myself so I can get some more practice. So yes, I have this nude color that is kind of a mix of Diva DC Cover Peach and some other different colored acrylics like pink mixed in here. And I'm placing that, and once that's set into place, I'm going in with my hand file to kind of clean up the edges and make it really crisp and make sure that all of the nail beds are matching. So I went and laid them all first. That way you know for sure that they're all the right shape and size. And I kind of went for a more elongated and pointy look, because there's nothing I really don't like when long nails have a short French cuticle area, or whatever this is called, like the pink part. I like it to be longer and just more like almond and pointy. Towards the lowest point it should be smaller. That's my opinion, like that's just my aesthetic right now for this set. You can do it however you want to. So I got the nail wet with monomer, and now I'm taking this glitter mix and I'm just placing this on all of the empty area, and I'm just filling that in. So the way I made this glitter is super simple. I just took TammyTaylor white acrylic and I put fine silver glitter from Michaels and fine iridescent clear glitter and some medium circular iridescent glitter, and that's pretty much it, I think. Yeah, just those, and it came out really pretty, just like the picture. I don't know how that happens for me. but yeah, I'm really happy with how the glitter came out. So I'm just encapsulating after I got that set down.
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head.
So this is gonna be the full glitter nail.
I need an angel after what you did, 'cause you were the devil, you messed with my head. You lied to my mother, you lied to my friends. You said that you'd be there, but this never ends. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost.
After file shaping and buffing, I'm going to decorate the nails with some AB stones. I have them in various sizes, and I'm using a different kind of glue. This is the IBD 5 seconds glue, and I used to use this a long time ago, and it didn't really work that well for me. I'm giving it another chance because I heard that if you use this kind of glue and put the glue on top of the stone, it makes it stay for a long time apparently. And I used to put my stones on top of top coat, which is like a no-go because it doesn't have anything to really stick to. So before I top coat the nails, I'm gonna put my glue down, put my stones down, and then put glue all around and on top and all around like the creases and stuff. And I really hope that this glue works out for me because it's like way cheaper than Zule's. I love the Zule's Bling adhesive. I really love that glue, but I just want to see if this works for me or not, so that's why I'm using something different. These little flowers I think I got from like Etsy. I'll try to find a link for that. I got those so long ago. They're just little like decoration flower things. And the bow I got, I think you can get on Etsy too, or eBay. I'll try to find a link for that. After the glue is dried, I'm going to top coat the stones and the nails. I like to top coat my stones just for personal preference, and I really like to make sure that everything is encased down on the nail for my heavy-handed girls, just to make sure nothing is popping off for the 2 weeks that they wear the nails. So I'm also really getting in and around the flower and the bow that I put on, because those things are very 3D, and any kind of like string or like anything can snag onto that and try to pull it off basically. So I'm trying to get all of the curves, creases and stuff and fill that in with gel so that it's less likely to pop off. So after applying cuticle oil, this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of these nails. If you're new, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
Under your spotlight.